Good morning to you people, and hi to the nice lady that I might have startled when I came out from over here. But she's gonna watch my bike for a few laps, so thank you. See how God sends miracles. She's she's running up and down the hill, and my bike is down the hill. So hey, is that a hawk? Looks like it. Might be ready to swoop on a mug. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Just look at the colors coming through. See? See the big colors coming through. Yeah, look at the colors. See, you Narubu guys, look at the beautiful colors. See, you don't get this when you're looking at a weather cam in Connecticut. You don't get these beautiful colors and images. You get doctored photos that you highlight and do whatever. These almost always go untouched. Almost always untouched. See? Look at that. They're gonna come around. Let's see if it gets windy one more time. Look at that. It looks like Mama's pie sitting on a shelf if you were upside down. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? The old movie with Life. Martin ran over and ate that hot pie. He said the pie burned my tongue. That was kind of funny. Yeah, that was funny. See, bam, bam, bam. And then this is what I'm hoping to get. And of course, you got the big city, which don't look so big in my frame. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I can zoom in on a couple of frames. I don't know. Ooh. See. Isn't that beautiful? See that one? See the dark one, the way it's casting off? Going from one and it's going through the, see? And then what is that? See, I told you, it's getting biblical again. Told you. Getting biblical again. I keep telling you people, man, look at that. It's getting biblical in here. 3 7s. 1, 2, and the small one at the top. See? And what does that look like? Your baseball. Dope heads, man. See how that looks like a baseball? It better get windy and I ain't playing. And there's its little moon. Rena P. 020102. Get it? You got it, NASA? These two that circle the big giants are mine. You got it, NASA? I ain't playing. See, there's the children. Okay? I wanted a perfect view of this, live. With a lady running up and down the mountain. Perfect. See? See how that works? And then the little one, see? Then you got the children up there. And then there's our moon. See? It's our moon. See? You guys understand? See, and it might get biblical in here again. I don't know. See? Again, I don't understand why and there's the children. I don't understand why. You know? Why you guys just, don't go out there and do your homework. Talking about you talking to experts. Well, if you're talking to an expert, how come you can't come out and show us? If you're an expert, come out and show us these things in orbit. Can you do that? Or are you going to sit behind, whatever, and watch weather cams all afternoon until you find the right one? It makes absolutely no sense. None. And people listen to you. That's the crazy thing about it. You know? Oh, we got an expert on today. Well, yeah. An expert in what? You ain't told me nothing. Tell me what time of day. Tell me when to go out and look. I do all the work. Why don't you guys tell the people when to go out and look? If you're so smart. See? That's how quickly they zoom by. Zoom. That's how quickly they zoom by. You understand? See how that's moving? And the city is right there. You know? Our freedomless city. You can't fart in Chicago without being taxed by it. Straight up. They bleeding us dry. Bleeding us dry. If you turn the citizenry on their heads and try to shake what change they got out of their pocket, you might end up enough for a bus token. You guys are pillaging everything you can from us. You guys know nothing about freedom. Like how you can end the fire department in one fell swoop and employ thousands. Just by putting a pumping station at every fire hydrant and tell the citizens to put out the fires. They're the first responders, aren't they? People will get out and help. They will. They get recognized for accommodations. You know what I'm saying? You end the fire department. End all that buzzing, hooting, and hollering. You still have them, though, for people who would employ a government service. But they'd have to pay for it. See, look at that. Look at that. Simple. All these deputy chiefs and all that. Killing us with their pensions. Sorry, I'm sorry. The firemen, they're brave people. But they can do their work in the private sector. Be brave there and make, and the people pay for your service, not squeeze it out of them. It's a morality issue. You guys can't understand that, But that's just how I roll. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. See? See? In the big city right there. See? Whew, I'm hoping the blue one just, you know what I'm saying? Like awesome Dawson, man. Look at that. See? Look at that. I really can't take west because a lot of trees in our way. But I'll get one more image that way. Because that's the last image of the morning. You guys don't understand that. Again, be a dope head. Continue being a dope head. See? Our moon is still there, but it's slightly being covered by the incoming dust debris. Not our clouds. It's a perfectly clear day, as you can see. Those are clouds in space. Not very difficult to understand. Isn't she pretty? Man, just gorgeous, man. Like that girl jogging, I'm telling you. She was hotter than the surface of the sun. Woo! Killed them. Look at that. Look at those pretty colors. Let's see if I can get a sharper angle on this. Oh, well, I'm going to get these couple more right here. I like those two. See how they form that way? That's awesome. Look at that. Thought that was a UFO. It was a bird. Oh, look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that. I don't care if there's smudges on my camera. You can tap these pics, man, if you tried. Probably have a difficult time photographing the bright side of a barn in clear daylight. I don't understand these guys. People listen to them. That's what's even funny. I just go and just see what they say. See if they're actually beginning to tell the people the truth. Personally, I think they're corporate shills. This one guy sounds like a dope head. I ain't gonna name your name yet, but I will. And others that doctoring my photos. Someone used a photo, took a little small section of the one video, Mayan face appears, must see. And it's true. Mayan face does appear, but they don't take that They take the planet crossing. Bogus. And they flipped it. And then they shrunk it down so it wouldn't show the outlines. They couldn't get the telephone wires out of the picture and my blue dot. So don't even try it. You fellas need to quit. Look at these. We got some from Croatia. No, you didn't. You got it from Chicago, fool. You better stop tripping. Using my stuff. Better come up with a better line than that. Oh, see, look at that. They're going to come smoking around. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, man. All heading towards Chicago. Yeah. All heading towards Chicago. Look at that. Yeah. See? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? He's going to come around. Hopefully it gets windy one more time so I can prove it to you fellas once and for all. I know what the fuck I'm talking about. See? They're not going to hit us. We will experience some times of tribulation, but if you ain't ready, if you ain't prepared for this life and the after, you're going to have a hard time. Believe that. Believe that. You're going to have a hard time. Because this ain't nothing but biblical. Even in Revelations, where it says a king from the north and a king from the south, you know, will start the war to end all wars. Well, how about the north and south presidents of Korea? Possibility. We don't know. Only God has perfect timing, perfect calculations, perfect everything. And we trying to debunk them with junk science and flat earthers. I had a flat earther. God, you flat earthers need to chill. Straight up. Many plausible reasons why flat earth is not a viable explanation. Well, how are some of those? Well, like I said, if you're in the Sears Tower, you should be able to see the Dubai building on a clear day. Don't matter if it's clear with the power of no telescope. You could light a candle on one and use a thermo. You could still see that building. Second, stars in the northern hemisphere would be the same as the stars in the southern. That's impossible. They have a whole different set of stars. Duh. Duh. Huh? Yeah, right. And like the one guy says, well, what happens if you just keep flying? Dope heads, man. I swear these guys, man, it's a hologram. No, this is a hologram. This is a hologram. Yeah, right. Might be extraterrestrial, because I've seen some weird shit in the sky lately. Believe that. Weird. Okay? We ain't even go there. She's 71. Weird. Okay? Only intelligent life can make shapes. You understand? Only intelligent life. You understand? Can make shapes. Diamonds, hexagons, squares. Only intelligent life can do that. It doesn't happen in the natural world. Okay? I mean, by accident, yeah. Okay. One out of every trillion times. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So you flat earthers, man, I'm telling you, you need to get a different subject. Fools. Straight action.